Hello friends, I am Abhay. So today's our topic is iterative statements in Java. So what is iterative statement? Iterative statement is also called as looping statement. It is the statement, the block of statement will be executed repetitively. There are three types of looping statement or iterative statement. First is for loop, second is while loop, and third is do while loop. So first, for loop. There are three things present in the parenthesis within the parenthesis of for loop. First is initialization, second condition, and third is increment decrement. So first initialization. Initialization means that it is initial value to execute the block of statement executes only one to the start of the loop. So second is condition. It is the second condition to execute each time to the block to the block. Third is increment and decrement. Increment or decrement is used to incrementing or decrementing the block of incrementing or decrementing the block values of variable. How does it work in programming? For loop is how does work in programming. So first initialization. Initialization is initial value to executes only once at the start of the loop, and it goes to the or check the condition. If the condition is true, then the block of statement will be executed, and the and this is going to incrementing or decrementing condition. After this process is repeated until and unless this process is repeated until and unless the condition become false. If the condition become false, it is comes to the out of the loop. So second is while loop. While loop is same like for loop, but there is no first and last condition. That is, there is no initialization and increment decrement in while loop. So how does the while loop is work? First check the condition. But going to check the condition. If the condition is true, the block of statement will be executed, and it is going to for checking the condition. This process is repeated until and unless if the condition is false, if the condition become false. If one condition false, then the block of statement automatically stop and the variable it comes to the out of the loop. So third is do while loop. Do while loop is same like as while loop, but their difference is that the block of statement is executed first and then after check the condition. Means that at least one times the block of statement will be executed in do while loop. So that's all about iterative statement. Thank you.